What's up, everyone? I'd like to introduce the speaker design competition presented by Parts Express and Dayton Audio. Open to all who love audio, this competition brings builders together from across the country and beyond to share, collaborate, and compete. Let me show you. Now, at its core, the competition is really about just getting together with other like-minded individuals to see what each other has been working on, or maybe learn a thing or two. Widely considered the largest DIY speaker competition in the country, this event brings builders from across the US and beyond to share their passion for sound. Competitors can enter into multiple categories, which might be based on what parts they used, or perhaps how much they spent on the project. These categories level the playing field, so first-time builders and seasoned designers can compete side by side. And beyond the builds, it's really the community that makes the event special. A respected panel of industry experts serve as judges, evaluating each entry on craftsmanship, creativity, and of course, sound, ensuring every build has its chance to shine. If you love audio and you're pretty creative, the speaker design competition is the place to be.